Hi. Today I'm gonna talk about Lian Li PCI 420 Premium Gen 4 riser cable. I've bought this from our local market, but you can buy it from Amazon. The box included only with 2 screws and a right angle cable, no warranty card or manual. However, if you visit their website, it says you'll get 1-year warranty. It has both 200mm and 600mm version and compatible with PCI-E 2.0 and 3.0. These TPE sleeve cables are for flexibility and durability. This cable supports Lian Li O11D Mini, O11D, O11D XL model casing. It's also got protective ABS casing in both ends that allow protection of the connection between PCB and the ribbon cable. This cable has universal type screw holes at both ends, which will fit many cases on the market. Website shows Lian Li riser cables bandwidth up to 31 GB per second with PCIe Gen 4 and almost 15 GB per second with PCIe Gen 3. Let's plug it in and test how it performs with my RTX 3070. As you can see, it shows PCI Express Gen 4. Let's test it with 3D Mark PCIe Express to see how it goes with mine.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to. Here
you can see that I get 26 GB per second, not too bad I think. Let's dive into gaming benchmark.
to find